Question 1. Solve 2 over 3 plus 1 over 7. LCM is 21. 3 7s are 21, 7 2s are 14, plus 7 3s are 21, 3 1s are 3. Therefore, 17 over 21 is your answer. Here 30 would be the LCM because 52s are 30. So 10 3s are 3, 9 plus 7 2s are 14 gives you 23 over 30. 9 7s are 63 is your LCM. 9 7 7 4s are 28 plus 7 9s are 63, so 9 2s are 18. 8 plus 8 is 16, 2 1 3 4, 46 over 63. 21 would be the LCM here. 5 3 is a 15 plus 3 7 7 1 is a 7, so it would be 22 over 21. 5 6 is 30, 6 is a 12 plus 5 1 is a 5. That would give you 17 over 30 as your answer. 15 would be LCM here. 5 3 is a 15, 4 3 is a 12 plus 5 2 is a 10 to give you 22 over 15, further not reducible. Here it is minus 4 3 is a 12 as the LCM. 4 3 3 is a 9 plus 4 1 is a 4, minus, because it's a subtraction case. So 5 over 12 would be your answer. Here again negative. 5 over 6 minus 2 over 6, so 3 over 6, reducible to half, or you also can say 0.5. 12 would be the LCM of the three fractions. 8 plus 9 plus 6 1s are 6. This all gives you 23 over 12. Here whole part should be added first of all, that is 1 plus 3 give you 4. Then adding fractions, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. 3 is common denominator, therefore we can say 4 plus 3 by 3 is equal to 4 plus 1 gives you 5. Here 4 plus 3 gives you 7, and adding fractions we have to take LCM, that will come out to be 12. Solving LCM part here, 12 3 4 4 2 is a 8 plus 4 3 3 1 is a 3. Therefore writing it at all, 7 and 11 over 12 would be your answer. Here again it is negative sign, denominator are same, directly subtracted. 9 over 5 is your answer. All these missing parts are subtractions. 6 8 minus 3 would give you 5 over 6. Here 6 would be common LCM, 2 3 plus 2 plus 1s are, so 6 by 6 gives you 1. That is your question first. Question second. Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of ribbon they bought? So representing their both parts, 2 by 3 by Sarita, 3 by 4 by Lalita. They are asking to total. So total would be addition of both the things. That is 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Taking LCM as 20. So 8 plus 5 is a 15. Gives you 23/20 as the total length of the ribbon they bought. Question third. Naina was given 1.5 piece of cake and Najma was given 1/3 piece of cake. Find total amount of the cake given to both of them. Their individual shares have been written down, 1.5 and 1 and 1/3. Therefore total would be simply addition. That is adding both the shares. We are writing both the shares again. Adding the whole part 2 and adding fractions half plus 1/3. 6 would be the LCM. 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3 plus 3 2 2. So 2 and 6/6. 2 and 5/6 is your total amount. Question 4. Fill in the boxes. This type of question has also been solved in previous exercises. So assuming all the boxes as x, so 1/4 plus 5/8 taken to other side, negative becomes positive. Multiply first fraction by 2 to make common denominator and simply add numerators. 7/8 is your answer. In the second part, 1/2 plus 1/5. 1/5 was negative in the left hand side, taken to right hand side becomes positive. 10 is the LCM, so 5 plus 1, 2. So it gives 7/10. C part. Let's shift x to other side. So half minus 1/6 gives you 6 is common LCM. 3 minus 1 gives you 2 by 6, further reducible 1/3. Question 5. Complete the addition subtraction box. Addition on one side, subtraction on other side. So when we add it, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3, denominator are same, simply add numerators. 6 by 3 gives you 2. Fill the box with 2, and similarly we'll do to the other part. 3 by 3 as denominator are same. In vertical columns we have to subtract both the things, that is both the fractions. Common denominator 2 minus 1 is 1/3. Again common denominator 4 minus 2 is 2/3. And here we'll subtract 2 minus 1, 1 vertically. B part. 1/2 plus 1/3 would give you, let's take LCM 6, 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5/6. Let's write it down in the box. Again add 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, 12 is the LCM. 4 plus 3, 8 by 12. Sorry, 7 by 12. Now subtraction on the other side, that is vertical column. Half minus 1 by 3 gives you 1/6. 1/3 minus 1 by 4. 12 would be the LCM. 3 4 minus 4 3, so 1/12. Now let's add it 1/6 plus 1/12 to fill the last blank. 12 is the LCM, or multiply first fraction with 2. So that gives us 2 plus 1, that is 3/12. Add 2 plus 1. For the reducible, 1/4. So that makes our fifth question. Sixth, a piece of wire 7-8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1/4 meter long. How long is the other piece? Simply a subtraction problem representing the whole meter piece, 7/8 of it, and one piece was broken from this side and its length was given 1/4 meter. Now we have to find the other one. Let's make it x. Now we have to find x. So x would be simply subtracting 7/8, subtracting 1/4 from 7/8, because 7/8 is bigger than 1/4. Therefore, multiplying other fraction with 2, 7/8 minus 2/8. So 2 part out of 8 has to be subtracted. So it comes out to be 5/8. So x is 5/8. That is the other piece length in meters. Seventh, Nandini house is 9-10 km from her school. She walks some distances and by bus, half kilometer by bus. How did she walk? So we have to find x, that is her walking distance. That can be found by subtracting whole length distance minus distance traveled by bus, that is half kilometer. So we are going to find x kilometers. X would be simply 9/10 minus half. So writing it down, x, that is walking distance that she walked, equals to 9/10 minus half, that is 1/2. So 9/10 minus multiplying other fraction by 5, 5/10 gives you 4/10. For the reducible, yes, 2/5 kilometer she walks. That is x equals to 2/5 kilometer. So that's how we do such kinds of problems. Question 8. Asha and Samuel have bookshelves of same size partly filled with books. Asha's shelf is 5/6 full. Samuel's is 2/5 full. Whose bookshelf is more full? By what fraction? Let's represent Asha's, that is 5 in occupied out of 6. Samuel's 2 occupied out of 5. So we cannot compare them. Prior to that, we have to make them like fractions. We are asked bookshelf is more full. Whose bookshelf is more full? So we have 5/6 and 2/5. Let's compare it. Let's make denominators common. That could be done by multiplying them first by 5, other with 6. So multiplied by 5 and 5 into 6. That would make denominator 30, so that we can compare easily. So first one 25/30 and second one is 12/30. So Asha's shelf is more filled because it is 25/30 as compared to 12/30. Therefore, we can write as Asha's bookshelf is more full. Now the other part we have to find after writing it down. By what fraction? By what fraction means he's asking the difference. So negative sign. And that could be found out by subtracting 25 over 30 by 12 over 30. 30 is common, therefore 30 over 30 is the amount. By what? Question 9th. Jaidev takes 2.5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? Similar question to prior. We have written all the details. So let's make Rahul's part whole and mixed fraction. So dividing, we write as 1 and 3 over 5. Quotient first, then remainder, then divisor. So we are comparing it. Obviously Jaidev took much time, but we are asked about less time. Therefore our answer would be Rahul takes less. So by what fraction could be calculated simply by making Javed part as fraction. 11 5 minus 7 by 4, 20 is the LCM, and 5 4s are 20, 11 4s are 44, minus 4 5s are 20, 7 5s are 35, gives you 11 by 20 minutes less. He takes less time by Jaidev. That is your answer.